Yeah. Okay, guys, ship hold.
Roger.
You're going to go crab chasing, and I think this is a worthy zoom while you get set up.
Yeah.
He is awesome.
That is a beautiful jelly.
You want me to zoom?
Oh.
Bridge,
Hold on,
please
let me
hold
get
position.
closer to him.
Sure want to know if he glows, but I'll
Okay,
keep
zoom
going.
in there.
Thank you.
Look at that thing. He's reflecting the lights of Farcano.
Yeah.
Looks like a firework.
Alright, so once he's disturbed, which is now, if you can back off, zoom wide. There's a different crab that we want to try and grab.
Okay.
Esmeralda,
Yes.
which one is... You said there was one that was
Yes,
further down. You
yes,
want?
it's the same. This
You think
in
that
front
one's
is
the same? Okay. So if you can get your suction sampler out, and
All right.
Oh man.
I know. Trust me, you're talking to a midwater guy.
All right, full wide.